Okay, today is our second feeding. Here, puppies! These guys drinking milk. Here, puppies! Disco is trying to get in the room because she would also like the goat milk. But she is not wanting to feed the puppies anymore. So she is saying it is time for these puppies to eat on their own. And I think the puppies agree because, like I said, this is their second time. And look at these guys go. They're understanding. So I use a chicken feeder because otherwise they walk right through the bowl. So this helps keep it a little bit cleaner. So the next 2 weeks are super messy because we go from drinking the goat milk and still nursing with Disco. And then eventually we'll introduce some puppy mash, which is just their kibble. Well, actually, I'll go from the goat milk with a little bit of raw instinct food, which I'll show you guys. And then I'll move to just kibble soaked in goat milk. But look at these guys go. So once I have this pretty much all gone, then I'll let Disco come in and she'll lick the bowl. And then she'll clean up the puppies. And that is her banging on the door. And then she'll nurse for a little bit, and then these guys will be zonked out. You can see White is right inside the dish. So like pops. But can you believe this? Second time with me putting this in, everybody understands. So smart. So now the boxes are going to get very dirty very quickly. So this has already been changed once today. I'll be changing it for a second time and then a third time here before we go to bed. These guys are also going to move down into the puppy room where they can be more social throughout the day. So right now they're in my bedroom and I don't love the kids coming in here with their friends all the time. So the downstairs room will be a little bit more open to kids coming and going. All right, I hope that you enjoyed. And this is why Disco is not interested in feeding the puppies anymore. So now that everybody's starting to eat on their own, I'll add in the litter pan, and it'll be amazing to see how fast they start to use that. Are you going to lay down for them? Not so much?